you're still doing push-ups like this, stop right now. Because you're not building muscle, you're just bouncing your body up and down. Most people think push-ups are simple. Drop down, pump out reps, done. But the difference between a sloppy push-up and a perfect one is the difference between wasting your time and actually getting stronger. A proper push-up should light up your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. But here's where most people mess up. They let their hips sag, turning it into a lazy back bend. They rush through reps like they're swatting flies, or worse, they only go halfway down. If your chest isn't almost touching the floor, you're cheating yourself. Let's fix it right now. Start in a strong plank position. Hands under your shoulders, fingers spread wide, feet hip-width apart. Now brace your core like someone's about to punch you in the stomach. Your body should be one straight line, head to heels. As you lower, keep your elbows at a 45-degree angle, not flared out. Go slow, control it, chest hovering just above the ground. Feel that burn? That's real work. Now push back up through your palms, squeeze your chest at the top, but don't lock your elbows. Keep that muscle tension alive. Remember, slow and controlled beats fast and sloppy. Core tight at all times. Full range of motion, low down, full extension up. And if regular push-ups feel easy, don't speed up, level up. Try diamond push-ups for triceps, decline push-ups for upper chest, or explosive push-ups for power. Perfect push-ups aren't just about strength, they're about discipline and form. So here's my challenge to you. How many perfect push-ups can you do?